bumped her nose.
Aww. Aww. Give it a hug, Angel. Aww. That's a sweet girl. Aww. Give Piglet love. That's a sweet girl.
Let's try walking again. Come on.
George, get back. I'm going to try and get her walk again. Come here, Angel. Uh-oh. That's okay. One more time. She's going to get aggravated. Let her get her balance. There we go. Can get Piglet.